Hello everyone, today is educational content. Today I decided to show some bit of brazing. The responsibility is very high for this fittings not to leak, but that is not why I'm doing this coupling halfway. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to show how high the temperature must rise in order for the rod to melt, while I'm also doing this joint for the intended purpose. The rods are much more rigid than the base metal. When I tried to make contact, I noticed the rod had sharp edges. The point of contact wasn't enough to transfer the heat and melting it. So by me heating the tip of the rod made the sharp edges round, and now is perfect time to observe the capillary flow through the fitting. Notice the shade on the outside of the coupling change when I'm coming round. That was it for now, and I hope you learned something new. Let me know what did you think of this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.